Okay, so we are going to make a pathway with a gradient and a word going up within that object. So first thing we need to do is I'm going to draw a pathway. So easiest way I'm going to do this is draw out a rectangle, grab my direct selection tool, double click, move this over, double click on this anchor, move this over as well. Okay, if I need it to be a little larger, I can simply drag it out. Okay. So first I'm going to just let this go and I'll apply the gradient later, but I need to add my word. So I'm going to take my type tool and type out the word dreamland. I'm going to make this a little larger for myself. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is take my selection tool, go up to type, create outlines, because I need this to be an actual shape and not considered a direct path anymore. So I want to make sure my layers panel, okay, everything is good. I'm just going to turn this sideways, and I'm holding down my shift key so it goes at a 90-degree angle. And then what I'm going to do is hold shift down and drag it out a bit. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to make sure my path is over top. So that's my object right here, and it has, I want to make sure it has a no fill inside. There we go, no fill and no fill. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of these objects like this. I'm going to go to Object, Envelope, Distort, Make with Top Object. That's why I needed that top object to be there. Okay, and now it's inside. So now you see that inside this layer that we can't actually change the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to click on my shape, hold down my Alt key, and just make a second one of it. Okay, go back, select both, Object, Envelope, Distort, Make with Top Object. Okay, and now you'll notice over here I have the exact same path. So I'm just going to put that over top. And then what I'm going to do is simply go to my gradient tool, which is up here. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to apply my gradient. Now I can change my colors here. So let's say I want dark green here and a light green here. Okay, so to change this and flip this, I'm going to come over to my gradient tool here, and I am simply going to use this key, and then what I can do is I can drag this down here. I can also double click and drag this back here like that. So now I'm going to go to my layers panel. I'm going to put this path behind this envelope, and now I have a path with a gradient and a word in it.